Okay, I have received the Milwaukee M18 BLPD, and it's disassembled by the customer, and I don't know, maybe try to repair or something. And now of course I want to test it, but the customer told that the tool is not working. I can see a lot of dust here. I will take the battery to test it. Okay, we have the battery with half of it left, and I will just try it. Okay, the light turns on. Okay, okay, the tool spins around, so I remove the battery. I will clean it and check what can be wrong with it. Of course I need to assemble it. Okay, as the customer told that this drill just stop it, and as you just saw, I have pressed the button and it was spinning around, so I will blow it up with the compressed air, and now I will clean with the electric contact cleaner. Just need to find where my cleaner is. Okay, here's my cleaner. I will clean it, assemble it, and check it. Just soaking it all in a contact cleaner and brushing with a light brush, because first of all we need to get rid of all the dust. Maybe then we will see some parts damage or something, and of course when we will assemble it back we will see it works or not. Basically, if you are assembling and if it works perfectly, that's good. Sometimes, even on the Milwaukee or most of the Milwaukee tools, just stopping working on a dust, and it's a switch problem. Of course, the switch can be disassembled. You can see the part can be removed here. For the first time, I'm just trying to clean it and then assemble it to check what's wrong, and if it will not work, then I can take the switch, deassemble it, and so on. So the controller unit now is cleaned. I will just dry it with the paper. Now we have one goal. We want to test it, so of course now I can put the armature back again, and I can try to put the battery in and check if the motor spins or not. Yeah, it tries to spin. Of course it's no alignment on the bearing and so on. Yeah, but it spins. Now it spins like that, and it spins the other direction, so I think the tool will be good after cleaning and assembling. Okay, now I just hope that all the parts are here, because the customer who sent this tool got the notice from the courier company that the package is damaged, and I got the same message from the courier, so I don't know. I will assemble and check it, and I believe that the spring here is missing. Okay, this wire needs to be tighten it here, and I will do that now. I will just tighten it here. It's need a really small screwdriver, Torx. The plate. Sorry if the light now is a little bit bad because my LED light ring just stopped working. Of course, after that, when I'm just put the hammer on the cord and it just takes all the cord out. I damaged it, so I will replace it. But now I want to make the videos because I'm making the videos on the weekends. Okay. I want to align everything in places. The motor, the gear IC, and the LED light, switch. Okay, everything seems to go into the places. Pressing the wire in, and the mode changer, and I can see the part missing is the spring. Okay, and of course I can test the tool without it, and if it will be good I will try to order that part, or maybe I will find it. I don't like how the switch goes in, and that's the reason I left the wires here. Okay, as you can see, the manage the wires to go out of the switch place. Okay, now everything goes to the places. And this wire just pop it out again. It's with the thermal protection tube on it, so that's a good go for the tool where you can get a heat. Okay, we can check the alignment of the motor. Okay, alignment of the motor is good. The switch is good here. Okay, this one can move, I believe, yep. And it's look nice. This one is bended. Okay, now I will close the tool. I hope that I have all the screws I need here. I will not use that in part for this ones. screws are here and 4 screws left for the gear, and something strange here with the screws because one screw is really long. And okay. Okay, now I need to check it. Looks nice. Okay, working on a board reference. There's a drilling mode, so the clutch not working. The screw mode. Okay, the hammering mode. Okay, so it seems that the tool is working, and I believe that the screw for the hook is okay. It's the one screw here, maybe for this one, and yeah, one screw is missing. Okay, maybe not, that's not a big problem. I can try to find it somewhere. Okay, so I will need to find the screw here. I will find it. Basically, we have that's working. So we can try to move the battery. Okay, but it's working, so maybe it was needed a cleaning or the good bump and traveling with the courier company.